Hello everyone and welcome back to Crochet Delight. I'm Barbara and I'm just giving you guys a heads up. I have my Paradise Fibers box. I just got it today on Monday, but you guys will be seeing the unboxing on Wednesday. So stay tuned for Wednesday for the live video for the Paradise Fibers unboxing. It's been a hectic weekend and tomorrow is also going to be hectic, so that's why the unboxing will be Wednesday. So keep an eye out and I look forward to seeing you guys there. Hopefully the next time I'll be able to give you guys another heads up. I usually like to do them right when I get my kit because I'm that excited about it. And you guys are going to be very excited about this one too, especially if you are a fan of what this box is themed of. I only opened it up to get my little itinerary sheet, if you will, but I had a big surprise. There was no real story with it except for two little papers. And that's the only spoiler I'm going to give you guys. So stay tuned and hopefully I'll see you guys Wednesday. Let me know in the comments what time would work best for you guys. Morning, afternoon, or late in the afternoon, like 6 o'clock, 12 o'clock, meaning noon, 1 o'clock, when? What time would be good for you guys? Because I want to be able to get as many of you on here as possible. Because I want you guys to interact in my lives. I want you guys to interact with all of my videos. I love seeing all of you give me a thumbs up or comment and share my videos and all of that. And I don't like to ask you guys to give me a thumbs up because yes, a thumbs up will help me get my videos out there to everyone else to help them learn more about spinning or crochet or just to chit chat pretty much, because that's just me. It's a different story with my dad. I'm a daddy's girl. I want bubble gum, he'll buy me bubble gum. I want yarn, he'll buy me yarn. And I try to buy it all myself. So I like to be very independent. I don't really like to ask people for anything. So that's why I very rarely ask you guys to give me a thumbs up, a like, a share, a comment, anything like that. I rarely do that, and I very extremely rarely ask you guys to donate to my PayPal. So there's why I don't do that. I will always leave the link to my PayPal in the description box below, so that if you guys do want to donate to help me out, you can. It's never an obligation with anything I do on this channel. You don't have to participate in Hot Off the Hook Friday if you don't want to, which Hot Off the Hook Friday, all of you know, is whatever comes off your hook or whatever whip is on your hook. And for those of you who don't know what a whip is, it's a work in progress. WIP, work in progress, whip. So that is one crochet term. So I show whips, I show finished projects. I do have a finished project to show you this week for Hot Off the Hook Friday. It's one that I finished about a month ago, but I never showed you guys. So I'm going to show you guys this Friday. So, and it can be an old Hot Off the Hook. It can be something you're working on again. It doesn't have to be anything that just came off your hook. And as long as you guys get into me by Thursday night, early Friday morning before like 9 o'clock in the morning, because that's when I do my filming on Fridays for Hot Off the Hook Friday, depending if I'm too tired or not. But it's never an obligation. But if you want to do it, you have the option. Hot Off the Hook Friday is there to promote all of your stuff, and I just fill the air for when somebody does send it in. So there, again, not an obligation, just like donating money. not an obligation. Thumbs up. It would be fantastic if you guys would give my videos a thumbs up or a share and keep commenting down below, but you don't have to if you don't want to. Again, this is the United States. You got free will. So I make sure that nothing on my channel is an obligation to you guys. But I do like to get you guys to interact. And the more you guys interact, the bigger this smile gets. And I'm always smiling when I get my Paradise Fibers kit or when I read new comments and when I just get to interact with all of you. It just makes me happy because I'm actually communicating with my subscribers. I'm not just one of those subscribers that cares about the views or the money or anything like that. I'm not even being paid to do any of this. I'm not being paid to promote Paradise Fibers, although I am an affiliate. That's just a very small percentage, like a couple cents, but that it doesn't amount to much. That's it. I don't get paid by Paradise Fibers. I don't get paid to do any promotions whatsoever. I don't even get paid to show you guys anything that I make on Hot Off the Hook Friday or anything like that. It's all coming out of my pocket. All of it. So, I think I've talked your ear off enough. Ooh, pardon me. Quick recap. I will see you guys Wednesday. Just let me know in the comment section below what time is good for you guys. So, give me an actual time. I know some of you in the past have said it doesn't matter what time, but I want to be able to interact with you guys and have you guys interact, and my connection is pretty slow during the lives, so it'll take a good minute for everything to buffer. But just let me know what's best for you guys. And I will see you guys Wednesday for the live unboxing of Paradise Fibers. See you guys later. Have a delightful day, and happy hooking, everyone!